Here we go. It's our first POV on the Mayan here at Energylandia. If you're watching this one and not the vlog, please watch the vlog also and all the other POVs. I know, if you watch a few of the POVs, you think are very annoying now. Also, if you watch the full vlog, you think we are very annoying. But it's fine.
We are gonna watch the whole vlog.
Of course they're gonna watch the full vlog. Here we go, the Mayan at Energylandia. Woohoo! I rather new, become a SLC standard. Woo! Yeah, they are a little bit shaky. Yeah. They are kind of forceful. They're a little bit rattly, I could say. Yeah, we made it. I have to say this is like a pretty new one, but still they are shaky. My God. Whew. Don't know what number of roller coaster that was for today, but it was fun though.
It was fun.
It was really fun. Here you can see this awesome station here also. I think it's really nicely themed. Great roller coaster. Bye guys.